to make your own homemade DIY cell phone casing with just a balloon and of course your cell phone to make the casing. So let's get started. Get your balloon any color you want. You can see I have different color balloons. So blow it at about half, a little bit more than half. So okay, that's about the size you need. Maybe I should have done a little less. Clear your way and just get your cell phone. You can see I'm placing it on top. You can see I'm holding it closed. Just let air escape while you push down with your cell phone. That will make your cell phone case. It's kind of cool. You will see it. So press down, let the air escape. That sound is just from air escaping. That sounds normal. That sound is normal. So if you have any this weird air noise, don't worry, it's just from the balloon air escaping. Okay, so you can see it's in like this casing now. Let the air go and boom, you got your casing. Now some people ask me like, how can you take a photo? The camera's blocked. This thing hanging looks ugly. Well, I got the answers. So first, let's say you don't like this ugly thing or semi-ugly thing, whatever. If you like it, you can keep it. But if you don't, just get scissors, cut it off, easy. And if the camera's blocking, just pinch it. This might be a little hard, but you will get it. Pinch it. You can see I pinched it like this. Get scissors and cut the area on top of the camera. And for on top, you can cut a hole too. So that was how you do it. You know, let's say you think, oh, just one balloon, this is not strong, it's still gonna break. Then just take another balloon and blow it and put on top, and I think that'll look even better because that'll make you a rainbow casing. So I'll just show you how that looks like. Okay, now you got it. Now press down, same thing as you did last time. Oh wait, I just got it. Get in the right position. You need to feel comfortable. If you don't, then it will be a little hard. Get in your position that you feel is good. Feels good. The air is good. Okay. It will be kind of hard, but you will get it. It's worth getting a casing for this. Okay, you can see it got in this shape. Now let the air go and press, and boom, you got it. Number 2 casing. Now there's 2 of these ugly things. Just cut them off. Same thing for the camera. And same thing for this camera over here. And that was the video. So hope you like this video and check my channel. You go to YouTube, press search, click All Penguins Club, and you'll see I'll post some videos, and one of them is gonna be Can This Survive the Fall? And that will be coming in the future. And just hope you like this video now. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, and